absolutely not. And we stand by it, and she did him again this year. The gold snake was much better than this. She's slapping in the back, slapping in the back. I'm sorry, guys. We need to look back. Sloppy. Well, you know what? That's true. Everybody should just get a damn spank, okay? That's all I'm saying. Well, don't go anywhere. The designer gloves are about to come off in a moment.
Coming out from Steph Kyler, simply glowing or overflowing. Plus, something fishy and happy on looking out. And made a marine down the thing. It's less really more.
Thought about ordering from 1-800-CONTACTS? Do I need my prescription when I order? Where is my prescription? It's on the box. You call, we verify and ship. 1-800-CONTACTS. We make it simple.
Give her a kiss. Aww. You're a good girl, Kiwi.
You roughhousing with me?
Yeah, show how she roughhouses, cause
Rough riders.
Now on sale at JCPenney.
Roughhouse. You
People
roughhousing?
spend too many days with seasonal nasal allergy symptoms like congestion.
no, she's in a lovey mood right now.
Is proven to help prevent most seasonal nasal allergy symptoms, including congestion. So you can have more symptom-free days. Side effects were generally mild and included headache, viral infections, sore throat, nosebleeds, and coughing. Mucinex for more symptom-free days. Ask your doctor.
Alright, bye, Kiwi.
For centuries, wine has been stored in wooden casks, sealed to keep